me check. Giving someone 19,000 benefits of a doubt. This is a video I didn't want to make this video. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 8:50 a.m.
Remember last week I said, I was actually talking to Meatball right here. I said that I called the first electrician, didn't call me back. I gave it 7 days. The next one, Eager, is coming on Wednesday. They didn't come on Wednesday. No, they called and said, can we make it on Friday? We'll make it Friday between 8 and 9 a.m. I said, well, I have to work 8 to 9. So I reconfirmed the other day, 8 to 9. While waiting, I finished the transitional bridge that hides cables if for any reason they need to be accessed. I know exactly where the 110 goes in and then becomes the 10 gauge for the distributor box. Everything is wired. Look, I finished all of my, it's not caulked, but here, okay, let's go down. Hey Siri, torch on.
Okay, I've turned torch on.
I've drawn what I want. So this is the main lead. These are the outlet leads. I've done everything except for drive over and pick somebody up. I'm not somebody who doesn't know what he wants. I don't know how to get it. It is now basically 9 a.m. Nobody's coming. You know I have the option of not using this in the video, but I'm absolutely going to use it because everything has been a test of patience that I didn't know I had. He's coming. Today's the day. Interestingly, it's Sunday. This is not going to be the video that the blessed Saint Electrician comes and then he hooks up my cooktop to whimsical music. And then immediately I grab the dog and we take, that's not gonna happen because this needs to go to a shop before it goes anywhere. I've always known, you wanna look? Come on. I've always known that there's not just a hole in the muffler. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I think that it's rusted worse. I feel like the hole in the muffler is making poor performance. At least I hope that's what, I don't mean a little. This has always been that way, but I took a trip the other day and thank God I didn't have Meatball with me because I didn't feel confident. I felt like it was struggling and shifting. I felt like it was airy in the acceleration. Every dash light, check engine light was on. I wasn't far from home, I was alone. I don't know how I would have felt if I was 100 miles away from home with a puppy dog. Let's prepare this. I don't think the electrician, I'm pretty sure he doesn't want to be on the video, so. All right, let's get this cooking. Block the light. And this is what I'm building now. Bathroom clothing linens. I want to follow those visual lines and then make these into a door of the dresser that I'm building. But this is what I'm gonna do when the electrician comes. So let's get to work. Plug this in. Oh, nice. Yeah, we're good, man. I'm happy. So it's function. Oh. Oh, wow. Did you see what happened? I just pulled juice from the inverter. Okay, hold on. Oh, this is heat. Okay. All I wanted to do was get power on this side of the room. I now have that. The air fryer. Okay. it's time to go to the mechanic. So it's a family-run garage. It's not that far from the house, so I can bring my skateboard to come back. This is the first morning that this has power. I had my morning coffee in here. Okay, so let's go to the garage. I'm gonna discuss with him the obvious problem du jour. But diagnostically, I'm interested to know. I want to have confidence when I set out with Mr. Meatball. So let's take a ride to the garage. Yeah, the other thing is, for quite a while, I have had no reason to go over 35 miles an hour. So transmission, or shifting, I wouldn't know. It's only when I went out on the highway at 45 miles an hour, I realized it was struggling. All right, I've left my truck with the garage. We'll now go home and wait for the proper diagnosis. So I told him you can keep it as long as it needs, obviously, right? But what I meant by that is, can you lock it up in the garage at night? Since there's so many parts and pieces and solar and it's open, so can you protect my truck? That's what I was saying. And because it's 2024, you have to say that and hope somebody doesn't get their feelings hurt, so. Oh my God, look at this. I got my carport back. I don't know how long they're gonna keep it, but I'm gonna take advantage of cleaning things up here. It's the garage. Hello, 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 hello.
Went through your check engine light. I checked the oxygen sensors. I checked the coils. I checked the spark plugs. There's no oil leaking. We checked everything. There's no codes in there at all. The check engine light is not on. All I can tell you is your left front tire's about to pop, and the right rear is bad. You have two bad tires. They're $159 a piece. I can order them and get them on for you today, and then my guy said he'll go ahead and re-road test it, and I'm getting you a price on a muffler now. Okay, I'll call you when it's done.
Hey, thanks.
Thanks, Tony.
Good day.
And then this is the other one going to the other side. Everything is zero. That's perfect.
Awesome. I think the muffler's giving me performance
Want me to go ahead
problems.
and video this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Ready?
Yeah, that's not a hole. That's an Airbnb. Okay. All right. Now, I appreciate you taking care of me today. I don't know how my editing's gonna be. I don't know how clear that was, but he did a complete diagnostic. This thing checks out. Listen, I'm gonna make life easy on myself. The door that I was building for the dresser, making it one, it's too heavy. It's messing up the hinges. I then tried splitting it. So how about if I just put a door on it? Just a basic cabinet door. So I'm gonna finish this, and that means with everything so complete, there is no reason why that next week I can't set out for the inaugural beach camper trip with Mr. Meatball. Said that when I can control the temperature, when I can lock us up safely, when I can get an egg out of the refrigerator, when I can cook it on the cooktop, when I can make a cup of coffee, when I can take the bed and make it to a full or twin size, and that the vehicle is dependable, I said Meatball and I are taking a trip. We're gonna take a trip. No, I have not done the water and the plumbing yet. I'll take care of that when I get back. I haven't done the hardware yet, but I now have a cabinetry for personal items. Let's make a little food. I'll show you how this works. When I touch this button, oh, I know. Whoa, see? for an adventure? 1 week away.